Hair thinning can be frustrating, but nature offers powerful solutions backed by science. Herbs like rosemary to stimulate hair growth, saw palmetto to block that, and anla to nourish the scalp help strengthen hair naturally. These botanical remedies support thicker, healthier hair without harsh chemicals. Ready to restore your hair's strength and vitality? Let's explore the best herbs to combat hair thinning. Today, we will talk about herbs to combat hair thinning, natural remedies backed by science. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Hair thinning is one of the most frustrating and emotional challenges many people face. Whether it's due to stress, hormonal imbalances, aging, or even genetics, watching your hair become thinner over time can take a toll on your confidence. But what if I told you that nature already provides powerful, science-backed solutions to help strengthen, nourish, and even regrow your hair? Forget expensive chemical treatments and harsh products filled with synthetic ingredients. The answer to healthier, thicker hair may lie in the world of herbs, plants that have been used for centuries in traditional medicine and are now backed by modern science. Today, we're diving deep into the best herbal remedies for hair thinning, how they work, and how you can use them effectively. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete understanding of how to naturally restore your hair's strength, volume, and vitality without harmful chemicals or side effects. Why herbs can help with hair thinning. When it comes to hair loss, the key is addressing the root cause. Many commercial treatments only work on the surface, but herbal remedies go deeper, helping to improve blood circulation to the scalp, balance hormones, reduce inflammation, and provide the nutrients that hair follicles need to thrive. Herbs contain powerful compounds like antioxidants, flavonoids, vitamins, and minerals that not only stimulate hair growth, but also protect the scalp from damage, reduce shedding, and improve overall hair quality. Another reason herbs work so well is that they help with multiple factors that contribute to thinning hair: stress, poor circulation, lack of nutrients, and even scalp conditions like dandruff or excessive oil production. By using natural remedies, you're supporting your hair from the inside out, rather than just masking the problem. And the best part, these remedies are completely natural, safe, and free from harmful chemicals that can damage hair over time. The best herbs for combating hair thinning. Many plants have been used for centuries to support hair health, but modern research has confirmed that some herbs are particularly effective in promoting hair growth, reducing shedding, and strengthening follicles. One of the most well-known herbs for hair is rosemary. Rosemary isn't just a fragrant kitchen herb, it's also a powerful remedy for stimulating hair growth. Studies have shown that rosemary oil can be just as effective as minoxidil, the active ingredient in many hair loss treatments. It works by improving blood circulation to the scalp, encouraging hair follicles to produce stronger, thicker strands. Another highly effective herb is saw palmetto. This plant has been widely studied for its ability to block that dihydrotestosterone, the hormone responsible for male and female pattern baldness. By inhibiting DET, saw palmetto helps to prevent hair follicles from shrinking and keeps hair growing longer and healthier. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is another powerful hair-strengthening herb. Rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and phytonutrients, amla has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries to nourish the scalp, prevent premature graying, and promote thicker hair growth. Another fantastic herb for hair health is horsetail, which is packed with silica, a mineral essential for strong, healthy hair. Silica strengthens the hair shaft, reducing breakage and making hair appear realize that stress plays a huge role in hair loss, and this is where adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha come in. Adaptogens help the body manage stress more effectively, reducing cortisol levels that can contribute to hair thinning. By supporting the adrenal glands and reducing stress hormones, ashwagandha helps create the ideal conditions for hair growth. Another effective herb for reducing hair loss is nettles. Rich in iron, silica, and sulfur, nettles help to rebuild and strengthen hair from the inside out. They also improve circulation, delivering essential nutrients to hair follicles. And if you struggle with scalp inflammation, dandruff, or itchiness, one of the best herbs to try is peppermint. Peppermint oil has been shown in studies to increase the number of active hair follicles, while its cooling sensation soothes irritation and promotes a healthier scalp environment. How to use herbs for maximum hair growth. Now that we know which herbs are the most powerful for combating hair thinning, let's talk about how to use them effectively to get the best results. One of the simplest and most effective ways to use herbs for hair health is herbal infused oils. This involves soaking herbs in a carrier oil like coconut oil, jojoba oil, or castor oil, allowing their beneficial compounds to be absorbed into the oil. Massaging these infused oils into the scalp stimulates blood flow, nourishes the hair follicles, and strengthens the roots. Another great method is herbal hair rinses. After washing your hair, you can rinse with a strong herbal tea made from rosemary, nettle, or hibiscus. This helps strengthen hair strands, reduce shedding, and add shine. Herbal rinses are especially useful for people who want natural hair growth support without using oils. For those who prefer internal remedies, herbal supplements or teas can work wonders. Drinking nettle tea, saw palmetto extract, or amla juice provides your body with the essential nutrients needed to support hair growth from within. Herbs can also be used in DIY hair masks by mixing amla powder, fenugreek, and aloe vera into a paste and applying it directly to the scalp. This deep, nourishing treatment strengthens the roots, moisturizes the scalp, and helps prevent hair loss. How long does it take to see results? One of the most common questions about using herbs for hair growth is how long does it take to see a difference? Unlike synthetic treatments, natural remedies take time to work, as they focus on nourishing and repairing hair follicles rather than forcing fast growth. Most people start noticing reduced shedding and stronger hair within 4 to 8 weeks, while significant regrowth may take 3 to 6 months of consistent use. The key is patience and consistency. Just like a garden, hair growth requires time, nourishment, and the right conditions to thrive. Nature's solution to hair thinning. In a world full of harsh chemical treatments and expensive hair loss products, it's easy to feel like natural solutions are too simple to work. But science continues to confirm what ancient traditions have known for centuries. Herbs contain some of the most powerful healing properties for hair health. By using these time-tested, research-backed remedies, you can restore balance, nourish your scalp, and support long-term hair growth naturally. Thanks for tuning in to Herb Haven TV. If you enjoyed this video and want more amazing content on all things herbs, health, and wellness, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Also, join our community on Telegram. Link is in the description below for exclusive tips and updates you won't want to miss. Stay healthy, stay natural, and we'll see you in the next video.